Welcome to the channel Mind on Guruji Ka Gyan. Today's topic is rain and its farm. Rain and rain formation. When the surface water on the earth evaporates due to the heat of the sun, water changes into water vapor. Water vapor rises up along with warm air. You know well, warm air always rises up. Higher up in the atmosphere, weather is cooler. Hot air gets cooled, and water vapor condenses into tiny droplets. Very small. Understand here? Tiny droplets. These tiny droplets, when become heavy, they fall on the earth as rain. It may form dew, frost, hail, and snow. Now we will understand about them. Dew. When water vapor present in air condenses as the air touches any cold surface, such as a leaf or a petal of a flower, it forms dew. Early in the morning, after a cold night, you must have seen dewdrops on flowers, grass, leaves, canes, etc. Very easy. Next point. Frost. What is frost? Now we will understand about frost. When air is cold, water vapor changes into ice crystals of ice. They called frost. You may see frost in the freezer of refrigerator. You may see frost. What is the process of making frost? In the freezer of refrigeration, when it becomes very cold, water present in freezer changes into frost. Now next point, hail. Raindrops condenses into ice when and passes through freeze and passes through the cold region of the air in the sky. In higher up, you know well. Cold air in the sky. What? It form hail. And they fall on the earth as hail. Next, snow. What is snow? When the air is very cold, as it is in the mountains, water vapor change into ice crystals instead of water drops. They fall on the earth as snow. So you have understand about rain and its fall. We will meet again. Bye.